When the holidays roll around, one big question comes up.
Should you invest in permanent Christmas lights? Or stick with a professional seasonal holiday lighting installation? Permanent Christmas lights are designed to stay on your home year-round. They're discreet by day, but at night?
With a tap on your phone, they light up for any occasion. Christmas, birthdays, game days, even summer backyard parties.
They're energy efficient, weather resistant, and incredibly convenient. The only downside, if it can be called a downside, is a higher upfront investment.
But an investment that delivers all year round and for many years to come. Seasonal holiday light installation, on the other hand, gives you flexibility. Want a new look each year? No problem.
Our team designs, installs, and even takes down and stores your lights for you. You'll love the custom designs, lower upfront cost, and fresh new displays every holiday season. But yes, it does require scheduling reinstallation every year.
So, which is right for you? If you want ease and year-round versatility, go permanent.
If you love creativity and variety, go seasonal. Either way, Outdoor Lighting Perspectives of St. Louis has you covered. Schedule your free holiday lighting consultation today with Outdoor Lighting Perspectives of St. Louis. Call 636-202-0369.